everyone, in this tutorial we'll be using a really good website called Netlify, and Netlify helps us to host our website online. So once we sign up to Netlify, we'll come to this page. So we're at Team Overview right now. If we scroll down, there's going to be drag and drop your site output folder here. So we'll go with that for today. We're going to go to our files, and we'll make sure all our files, for example the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files, are saved within the same folder. For example here, I've saved mine into the example folder. There's the HTML and CSS here. So I haven't actually designed a fully designed website at the moment, but this will be an example. So all we have to do is this. So we can just drag the folder here, and we'll wait for it to upload. So here it's going to give us our own URL here, and we can change it as well. So it says it's published. If we click onto it, this will be our website hosted online. So thank you for watching today, and see you in the next tutorial.